First, let us see phytoplanktons that include diatoms, cyanobacteria, this is nostoc, and dinoflagellates that causes bioluminescence, causing red tide, this is cornealux under microscope. So this is a NASA image of phytoplankton spread over the sea surface. Zooplankton include krills, copepods, jellyfish, even small larvae of fish and crustaceans. All comes under zooplankton. Phytoplanktons are plant-like, whereas zooplanktons are animal-like. Phytoplanktons are the primary producers of the food chain. They are capable of carrying out photosynthesis, whereas zooplanktons are the consumers. They are heterotrophic, eat other phytoplankton or other zooplankton. Phytoplanktons are found at the photic zone near the surface as light is essential for photosynthesis, whereas zooplankton found throughout the water column, often vertical migration from deeper water during the day to the surface during the night time for feeding phytoplankton. Phytoplankton produces a large portion of world's oxygen, more than 50%, whereas zooplankton consumes oxygen through respiration. Phytoplankton often drifts with currents, limited self-propulsion, whereas zooplankton majority drift along with the currents, but krill, larval stages of some fishes, can swim or move actively more compared to phytoplankton. Phytoplankton often appears as green or brown cloudy patches in the surface waters, whereas zooplankton usually translucent or transparent with various shapes, including larval stages of many fishes and tiny crustaceans. Thanks for joining 1 Minute Classroom and Biology Exams for you. Take care, stay blessed.